Hello, greetings, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yeomens, the microwave chef. Today we're going to be unboxing something special. I have here the Samsung Z Fold. Trying to unbox it. I've owned in a tablet. This will be like my third Samsung or my third tablet. But this time it actually has a phone with it. Back in the day, if you watch my old videos from like 9 years ago, about 10 years ago, I was like making a tutorial to show people how to make a phone call from a Samsung tablet. But maybe Samsung listened to my request, and right now, you know, they have the tablet and the phone in one. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and then let's see what is inside. Later, I'm going to play around with it and show you more of what it is. But right now, let's just unbox it. Okay, all right. So let's put this away. Oh, look at here. Oh, that's what it looks like. It has pretty slick. Let's see here. See if there's anything else that we need to take off to unbox it. This is pretty cool. This is my first time like ooh, look at that. Wow. And it gives you that feel, that the Z Fold type feel, how you open it. I gotta turn it around. I haven't used this before, so look at that. It opens up like how the tablet. Wow. And it gives you that feel, that and let's read what it says here. Oh. Change the shape of the future. Introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 G5. Reimagine the possibility of the smartphone experience. Unlock endless versatility and enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, all right, so this is it here. Let me open it. Ooh, what's inside? Okay, what we have here? So we'll probably have the manual here. Okay, some stuff that comes with the phone company. Okay, it has the tool here. That is, I guess, later we'll find out. Right? But chances are is used to like remove the SIM, the card, the SD or the SIM, or used to insert the SD, and then it has the information, something that we have to read up later. But let's take a look. Ooh, wow. This is it, folks. It's a Z Fold. Let's peel it off. Let's see. Cool. Wow. Okay, so that's it right here. This comes off. Let's see here. Put this right here. Ooh, it has a really good feel to it. Oh, look at that. I mean, it folds into, and I went for, you know, it comes in two different colors, but I went for the black one because it goes for my style. So that's it's pretty nice. It's pretty it weighs it weighs a little bit more than a regular smartphone, but it feels really good. I mean, when you hold. And the reason why I really got this is because of my work. I have like a lot of my work, like in terms of data science and AI in the cloud. So right now, it doesn't really matter where I go. I can still work. All I have to do is just go into my cloud and be able to work from there. So that's the reason why I really got this. I've always had a phone and a tablet. This is my old tablet. Is really run down, broken up, smudged the screen and all that. This is an LG, but I had the Samsung Galaxy when it came out, and I've always had a tablet. I've always had a phone, but now I have a phone and a tablet all in one. I can pick up and go, and we're ready to go. Let's see here. Let's turn it on and see how it functions. All right, let's see if we have some power. Oh, look at that. There we go. This is beautiful. All right, let it power up. I just wanted to show you, you know, how it feels like, you know, and it feels really good. Yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about what comes out of the box. So you have your Z Fold 2, Samsung Z Fold 2 out of the box, and then you have your charger. Comes with a cord and then the plug, bring the SIM. So this is the SIM. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, like, you know, tell you the basic features of the tab. It has the camera, the 3 cameras located here in the face, and it also has a camera here, a very tiny camera. If you want to do like a selfie or anything like that, it's located here. And then on the side, it has the speakers. On the side, well, you can call it side or top or bottom here, and it has the charger location here. That's where the charger goes. And this is, let's see where I show you where so this is the space where you're going to put the SIM card. All right, and you have the camera here, and then you have one also right there. Okay, and when you open it up, of course, you got to get in. See here, but it's pretty simple. It's your basic you know, tablet. You know, you swipe up to get, let me see here. Okay, swipe sides, you know, to get your functionalities. I have to install more apps into it, but you know, I just wanted to show you. This is pretty nice. It's going to make me, I believe, more productive. It has some cool features too. You know, you can like shut it gradually. It doesn't shut all the way like snap, you know, so it's pretty nice. I really like it. I mean, I actually love it, you know. I just got it today, but I'm gonna be playing around with it. You see all my fingerprints on it. I've been playing along with it whilst it was like switching from the old phone to this one, like downloading all the pictures and all the information that I had on my old phone. But this is pretty good. I really love it. It's gonna be something that I will have for a very long time. Samsung Z Fold is a great innovation, especially to be able to have a phone and a tablet, you know, to be able to have the size of a tablet to work with, and also you know, if you just want to have a phone to use, you know, have a phone to, you know, it's pretty nice. Highly recommended. All right, so stay tuned for the next episode. We're going to be bringing you more information about AI, data science, engineering, cryptocurrency. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you are updated on when I post new videos. All right, see you in the next episode.